Hi, very good morning to all. My name is S. Hariharan, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Dr. Vidya Educational Research Institute. Okay, you can see the problem. Obtain the response of unity feedback system whose open loop transfer function is g of s equal to 4 by s into s plus 5 and when the input is unit step. Response of unity feedback system is we have to find c of t value. Input given when the input is unit step means r of s equal to 1 by s. Okay. From this diagram we can write the closed loop transfer function c of s by r of s equal to g of s by 1 plus g of s. Now we can given g of s equal to 4 by s into s plus 5. You can substitute in this equation 4 by s into s plus 5 divided of 1 plus 4 into s plus 5. We can cross multiplication, we can get s into s plus 5 plus 4 by s into s plus 5. Here upper side is the s into s plus 5. Here s into s square plus s into 5 5s x plus 4. Here s into s plus 5 cancel, so we can get 4 by s square plus 5s plus 4 c of s by r of s equal to this value. So you can last value is 4. We can write 1 into 4 4. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Okay. We can write this s square plus 5s plus 4 is write as 4 by s plus 1 into 4 s plus 1 into s plus 4. Already we can given r of s equal to 1 by s. So we can given r of s equal to 1 by s. So write c of s equal to r of s into 4 by s plus 1 into s plus 4. We can substitute r of s value 1 by s. So we can get 4 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 4. My partial fraction equation, partial fraction we can write this equation as 4 by s into s plus 4 1 into s plus 4 is equal to first term is s, second term s plus 1, third term s plus 4. So we can write a by s plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 4. Okay. To obtain a value, we can write c of s into here s. So write s, c of s into s, substitute s equal to 0. So you can write c of s value is 4 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 4. Here in multiplication s, then s equal to 0. Here s cancel, so 4 by s plus 1 into s plus 4 s equal to 0. We can substitute s equal to 0 means here 4 by 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Same thing 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. So 1 into 4 4. Here 4 4 cancel. A value is 1. Okay. Next we can find the b value. We have to find the value b is c of s into here b by s plus 1. So write c of s into s plus 1, substitute s equal to minus 1. We know that c of s value 4 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 4. Next multiplication of s plus 1, then s equal to minus 1. Here s plus 1 cancel, So write 4 by s into s plus 4 s equal to minus 1. Next substitute s value is minus 1. So 4 by minus 1 into minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 4 by minus 1. The minus 1 plus 4 is 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3. So b value is minus 4 by 3. Okay. Next we find the value of c. So c is equal to c of s into s plus 4 s equal to minus 4. Okay. You know the c of s value is 4 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 4 then multiplication of s plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Here s plus 4 cancel, so we can get 4 by s into s plus 1 s equal to minus 4. Next is substitute s equal to minus 4 in this equation. 4 by minus 4 into minus 4 plus 1. So we can get 4 by minus 4 into minus 3 is equal to 4 by minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12. So 1 by 3. So c value is 1 by 3. We know that partial fraction equation c of s equal to a by s plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 4. Can substitute a value, b value, c value in this equation. So a value is 1. So 1 by s. B value is minus 4 by 3 into 1 by s plus 1. C value is 1 by 3. So plus 1 by 3 into 1 by s plus 4. Next we can find the unity of feedback system, means we can find c of t value. C of t is obtained by taking the inverse Laplace transform of c of s. So you can write c of t is equal to L inverse of c of s. So write L inverse of c of s value is 1 by s minus 4 by 3 1 by s plus 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by s plus 4. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s is 1. Next to 4 by 3 1 by s plus 1 we can write e power minus t plus 1 by 3 inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 4 is e power minus 4t. Here 1 by 3 is common, so take outside means see minus 1 by 3 of 4 e power minus t minus e power minus 4t. This is the final output of c of t is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 into 4 e power minus t minus e power minus 4t. Okay, thank you.